What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am going to be doing a wash and go, and I am going to be using the Alikay Naturals Creme Brulee. I think I just spoke about this in a previous video about how I used it, but I hadn't filmed it. You guys have seen it on my channel before, but then I thought to myself, you know what? I have so many new people coming every day. Thank you guys for subscribing and being part of the Sun Rae family. So because I have some new people coming all the time, I thought, okay, I'll go ahead and use it again. Plus, I am going to try to go ahead and get it used up. So I want to use it again, give you different combinations with it, as well as the other gels that I'm going to try too. I think I'm going to go ahead and once I try a gel, if I get good results, I want to go ahead and continue to use it with different combinations. So in case I use the leave-in that you don't have, I can show you a different leave-in, that type of thing. If I don't like the gel, I don't know how much I'm going to keep reusing it. So I'm just going to put that out there. So with the Alikay Creme Brulee, you guys know that I normally use the Sotanicals Frizz Wiz Curl Defining Leave-In with it. These two pair perfectly together. This is a curl defining leave-in, so it does help to define the curls a little bit before you add this, and that may be why I get really good, in my opinion, results with these two, because of course I like you know, softer hair and definition as well as volume. But today I am going to try a new leave-in. So I'm going to try the Inahsi Aloe Hibiscus leave-in with it. You guys know I love this leave-in as well. So I did these in my hands. They seem to work well together. So let's hope they work well together on the hair. So I've already applied the Aloe Hibiscus leave-in from Inahsi in the shower. You guys know that I do that, so it's already in my hair, and this is what my hair looks like right now with just the leave-in. So it's not as defined as what I get with the Sotanicals, but it feels good and it's moisturized, and that works for me. Okay, so I'm just going to start in the back, and I'm going to go ahead and just get a little bit of the creme brulee product. So that's what it looks like. The consistency, it feels very much like a cream gel, and I'm just going to rub it in my hands. It is kind of thick, but you rub it together and you apply it. You can definitely feel the hold on the hair. It doesn't feel like it's going to be a real, you know, hard or crunchy hold, but you can definitely feel a little bit of the tack in it to let you know that it has some hold to it. Okay, so I'm just going to apply that to the hair and rake it through, and there are my first results. Take another section, finger rake as I always do. My hair is detangled, as you see. I'm going to take a little bit more, rub it together, start at the root, and bring it down. Now, all the time it doesn't make it all the way to the ends as well as I would like, so I go in with a little bit more, just a little bit, and I make sure that my ends are coated. That's what I do. Making sure I get that part. That's what I do. I feel like it protects my ends, and you know, I don't know that that's scientific, but that's how I feel, and that's what I do to keep my ends coiled, less single strand knots and things like that. I try to make sure that my ends are coated, because see how they kind of are frizzy at first, and with them being frizzy, you know, they can love on each other. So I like to apply gel to them so they clump more like that, and they're just not all nilly-willy out there. See? And then I just feel like if they rub and stuff, the gel may rub off or whatever, but it's going to take a little bit longer for that to happen, and I just feel like it protects it. I don't know. Some people may disagree, but that's how I feel. Okay, so get a little bit more. Okay. So you see what I'm doing. I'm just going to do this all the way around my head, and I'll be back.
It's so unnecessary dwelling about the past, 'cause I know that God is good, He led me to where I'm at. Sometimes I feel like giving up, you're giving in, but everything happens for a reason. It won't always be blue skies ahead. Sometimes you might need a helping hand, just like iron sharpens iron, making me stronger, calling me higher. When we come together, just like iron sharpens iron, making us stronger, calling us higher. When we're helping each other, we're growing together.
Okay guys, so I got it all applied, and this is what my hair is looking like. And you probably saw me, you know, finger detangling. So I know some of you who've been watching me for a while, you know I predominantly finger detangle. I hardly ever use tools when styling my wash and go or even my twist outs. And I do that because I just feel like I get better definition using my fingers versus brushing through my curls. I feel like when I brush through my curls, it causes more frizz, and then it makes it harder for my hair to curl up. So that's why I finger detangle. I would say if you feel like if you're someone who is using tools, whether it's a wide tooth comb, a brush, or whatever, before you apply your product, and you just feel like your hair is frizzy or it's not, or it's puffy up here and then defined down here, or whatever the case may be, it may be the tool. So maybe try to just use your fingers to, you know, rake through your hair or detangle and see if you get more definition that way. That's what works for me. I feel like I need to add something right here. I feel like I missed a spot. So that's what I do. And that's what I've done for a long time, and it works for me. It gives me the definition that I want for my wash and goes. But if you're someone who uses a tool, a brush, and it defines your hair the way you want it to, hey, keep doing that if it's working. That's what I say. I almost used it up. There's still a little bit left, but I think I have another one over there. So if I do, I'm going to go ahead and keep with the Creme Brulee until I use it up, or at least until I give you a few combinations with different leave-ins. So I've already given you this combination. It's on my channel. I'll link it here. It works really well. Today I use the Inahsi with it, so we're going to see how it works. So stay tuned for the results. All right guys, so I am back from under the dryer. Hair is dry. As you can see, lots of definition. But I do want to fluff it out. I don't like the flat look, so I think I'm going to try to stretch it like I did in a previous video. I think I did it in my Big Girl Custard video, where I'm going to just take my hair and kind of twist it. Uh-oh. Now guys, I will say that it does have some hold to it, but this is a soft hold, so I'm not necessarily stretching to get rid of crunch. I'm stretching to see if I can get some volume. That's why I'm stretching it. Which way did I do this way? Okay. I don't even know which way I did it, because my hair is soft. But that's why I like this gel, because it's a soft hold, but you definitely get definition that lasts, at least for me, So I'm going to let this stretch out a little bit while I go get dressed and put on just a small face, nothing major. I'm just gonna put on some mascara and probably a gloss with a tinted moisturizer, and I'll be back. Guys, I almost forgot to turn y'all on again. I'm trying to hurry, that's what's my problem. I'm in a hurry and I'm forgetting stuff. So, very soft hold, okay? But still not giving me the lift I want right here. This is where I want the lift. So I'm gonna go in and just shake it around some. I got this bend in it from the clips. Y'all see that? I mean, it's soft, but it's definitely defined, right? And it just feels like hair. That's why I like this product. Definitely defined, but it doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't feel weighed down. It doesn't feel like there's a lot of product on my hair. There doesn't feel like there's any stickiness in my hair or anything like that. It just feels like hair, and that's what I like. Now, I do have a little bit of a, not oily, but when I do like this, I can feel it a little bit, but I don't feel it in my hair. If somebody touches my hair, they're not gonna feel it. It's gonna go away. And the only reason I can feel it is because it's fresh. But tomorrow, even later today, it won't be there. What that is I decided to try to spray on a little bit of a heat protectant on my hair before I got under the dryer, just to see if I feel a difference or see a difference in my hair. And of course, today was the first day of me doing that, so I don't see a real big difference right now as far as if it's protecting this part of my hair that is the frizziest. I do feel like I'm getting a little bit more definition up top since I have eliminated stretching it with the blow dryer, but today was my first time using the heat protectant, and I decided to do that because someone got in my comments and said, do you use a heat protectant when you get under the dryer? And I was like, no, I don't, but do what you feel is best for you. And I know some people do. I have heard of people doing that. I had just never done it. So I thought, you know what, let me try it. So that's what I did. I do feel like when I sprayed it, hold on. Okay, so this is the one that I use from Silk Elements. I've used this in my videos before when I was using the RaeRae or when I was using the Revlon blow dry brush. I use this. This has olive oil in it, so that's what I feel, but it's, like I said, it's not heavy. I like this. It's not weighing my hair down. As you see me fluffing it, it is getting bigger, which is great. It's not adding a whole lot of artificial shine to my hair or anything like that, so that's great. I just wanted to try it. I will say my hair was completely defined after I got done applying the products. You saw it, and I said I was getting ready to go sit under the dryer. Then I put this on it, and I do feel like when I sprayed this on it that it did seem like it affected the parts that was defined a little bit, like it got it a little bit frizzy. That's how it looked, But again, I only used it once. I don't know if that was my mind, my eyes playing tricks on me, or me just thinking it's going to make a difference. But I'll watch it next time I use it to see if I see that again and be able to tell you guys. But other than that, like I said, my hands aren't even greasy now. And I said that before when I used this. Even though I sprayed on my hair, I don't feel like something's going to slip out of my hands. You see, sometimes when you have grease, it's just like that. It's not like that. So I like it. But this is my hair, guys. So it just looks regular. Don't have a whole lot of, you know, artificial shine or anything. It just looks like hair. It feels good. It's getting bigger as I mess with it, and it will get bigger throughout the days, which is what I like. I like fluff. I like soft hair with no crunch. I like definition. You can definitely see the definition in my tail in the back, guys. I want to cut that so bad. But that's what the Creme Brulee does. So, yeah, I don't have any flaking. Guys, I didn't know I spilled some tinted moisturizer on my shirt. I don't know if y'all saw that or not, but anyway, I'll change my shirt. Just in case you're wondering, for the tinted moisturizer, I use the Tarte Maracuja Tinted Hydrator, which I've talked about before. I like this, but it's almost gone, so I'm just trying to use it up. Once I use it up, I probably won't repurchase. I won't repurchase because I like the Fit Me, which is more affordable, just as well. I also like the Ease Drop just as well. Yeah, I'll probably pick one of those first. So that's the reason why. But it is a good one and I like it. So I use that, trying to get that used up. If you're wondering, on my cheeks, I did just put a look to bring some color into my face. I did put on the Luminoso by Milani. This is an old favorite and I've been using it forever. I like it. It's just a nice universal cheek color. And then I just put some mascara on my lashes, which you can't hardly see. It's a new mascara. I'm trying it out, so I'm not gonna really rag on it right now. So I'm just trying it out, so I'll let you, but it's just mascara. Use any mascara. And then on my lips, I have on the Merit lip color in Tiger. Y'all know I like Merit lip colors. They just feel really good. I didn't put it on line or anything. I just put that on just for a little moisture in my lips. And yeah, that's it. And then this is my hair. So I'm happy with it. I know some of you like harder holds and all that. I have those videos on my channel. Just, you know, look for them there. But anyway, guys, that's it for this wash and go. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have tried the Creme Brulee, and if you have, what leave-ins you use it with. I do feel like these two give me a little bit more hold and definition, because this is a defining leave-in over this one. That's what I'm thinking, because normally I have a little bit more definition, but again, normally I don't spray this on top. So I'm trying to figure it out. So yeah, I'm getting a little bit more frizz up top than I usually get with this gel. So anyway, but I still like it. I like the movement and everything, so we're gonna go with it. Let me know. Okay guys, I am back to show you third day hair using the Aloe Berry Creme Brulee and the Inahsi leave-in. This is it. Very fluffy. I did band it while I put on just a little bit of makeup. I banded it like I showed you, and just to give it a little bit of stretch. So it's still hanging tough. It's still got a little, you know, frizz up here, but I'm okay with it because I have a lot of definition on the edges. It still has some movement, so I'm okay with it. We're gonna run out. It's humid here, it's rainy, so it's not gonna last long. So this is probably the last day that I'm going to show you. I am gonna wear it tomorrow because I don't have time, I don't believe, to wash it tomorrow. So that will be day 4. So I'm gonna at least get 4 days out of this, and then I'll probably wash it on day 5. So let me know what you think about it. Look, how do you think it held up? Leave it in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.